Alarm suppression. Generally, in the case of an object with activated alarm suppression, the object itself is able to detect the fault and the present value will show the state. Suppression, on the other hand, prevents the alarm from being notified and forwarded. When working on plants or partial plants, or for other reasons, it is possible to suppress these events if you do not want to receive alarms from one or more objects during a defined period. We would like to show two case studies: the alarm suppression of a single object and a whole plant with all child objects. Event suppression can be activated prophylactically before, but also when the alarm is already triggered. For alarm suppression of a single object, we select the object of wind speed of the weather station, with alarm category high. For the preventive workflow, we select the object in the system browser, expand the right panel, switch to advanced properties. The present value of this object shows the normal state, and alarm suppression is disabled. We change it to enabled and confirm in the pop-up window with all classes to be sure that all event types are suppressed. When triggering the wind alarm, the present value changes to alarm. But the summary bar and the event list do not show any new event, which is what we wanted to achieve. Forwarding to other alert systems, such as the notification in Desigo CC, is also suppressed. When now we deactivate the alarm suppression, the unprocessed event is displayed again in the summary bar and in the event list. This brings us to the next situation: activating the alarm suppression with a triggered event. Select in the event list the object. In our case, it is the same object. Expand the right panel and proceed similarly and enable the alarm suppression. We can witness that the event disappears in the summary bar and event list. Now, in this situation, you may ask, how can we determine which objects have enabled alarm suppression? In the filter function of the system browser, we can find the alarm suppression property in the filter option state. With this function, the search is simple and fast, as seen here. For the case of alarm suppression of a whole plant with child objects, we select the object of the ventilation plant in the system browser. In the right panel, we select the option Enable All and confirm in the pop-up window with Enable for all classes. Filtering by suppressed alarms shows us the number of suppressed objects. We close the filter and can now trigger the frost and motor alarms as confirmation and witness that no events are visible in the summary bar. Again, as soon as we remove the suppression, the event lamp of the unprocessed events starts blinking. The content for this topic has been reached, and with the next subject, online help, we will have finished this chapter event treatment.